Hello, my name is Rory and today I am making homemade dog treats for my dog. First step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now it's time to mix the ingredients. Next, place 1.5 cups of oats in a food processor. Next, grind it to a flour texture. Next, pour the oats into a medium-sized bowl. Next, put the banana, peanut butter, and egg all into the food processor. Process until well combined. Then pour the mixture into the bowl of oats and add the remaining oats. Next, stir the mixture together with the oats. Then scoop 1 tablespoon portions and roll into a ball. Time to wash my hands. Then flatten the treats with a fork in a criss-cross pattern. Now put them in the oven to bake for 15 minutes.
"15 minutes later."
Now we're gonna take these treats out of the oven and let them cool. Now for the best part, to feed Dolly. Yay! Do you like it?